Yearning for someone, understanding deep emotional longing. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very special phrase that captures a deep emotional state: yearn for someone. This expression is not just about missing someone. It's about feeling a deep, intense longing for their presence. Whether you're an English language learner looking to enhance your emotional vocabulary or simply curious about the nuances of English expressions, this video is for you. Let's explore what it means to yearn for someone and how you can use this phrase in your daily conversations. To yearn for someone means to have a strong, often melancholic desire for someone's presence or companionship. It's more intense than just missing someone. It's a deep, emotional longing that can be felt physically and emotionally. This phrase is commonly used to express feelings towards someone who is far away, someone you have not seen for a long time, or even someone you cannot be with due to certain circumstances. Now that we understand what it means to yearn for someone, let's see how it's used in sentences. Ever since she moved abroad, I found myself yearning for her every day. He yearned for his family while he was on his long business trip. Despite the breakup, she found herself yearning for his presence and the memories they shared. Notice how the phrase captures a sense of deep longing and emotional intensity. It's not just about wanting to see someone again, but feeling a profound emotional void in their absence. It's important to distinguish between yearning for someone and simply missing them. While missing someone can be a temporary feeling that comes and goes, yearning for someone is more persistent and intense. It encompasses a deeper emotional state and often reflects a more significant impact on one's feelings and daily life. Incorporating the phrase, yearn for someone, into your vocabulary allows you to express your feelings more deeply and precisely. It's a way to communicate the intensity of your emotions, especially in situations where you feel a profound sense of longing or absence. Using this phrase can help others understand the depth of your feelings and the emotional significance of the person you miss. We hope this video has helped you understand the deep and nuanced meaning of yearn for someone. Remember, language is a powerful tool for expressing our emotions, and by expanding our vocabulary, we can convey our feelings more accurately and deeply. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep exploring the beauty and depth of the English language.